Picture this. You're standing at the edge of the most exclusive prison in existence, and the bars aren't made of steel. They're made of space itself. No matter how advanced we become, no matter what technology we develop, there are cosmic boundaries we will never cross. Today, we're going to explore the ultimate limits of human exploration and discover why we're trapped in our tiny corner of an infinite universe. Right now, as you watch this video, you're hurtling through space on a planet orbiting a star in the Milky Way galaxy. Our home galaxy stretches across 100,000 light-years and contains hundreds of billions of stars, countless planets, and mysteries we're only beginning to understand. It seems impossibly vast, but here's the shocking truth. The Milky Way is just a tiny speck in something much, much larger. Our galaxy belongs to what astronomers call the local group, a collection of over 50 galaxies including our neighbor Andromeda, all bound together by gravity across 10 million light-years of space. This might sound enormous, but the local group is just one neighborhood in an even bigger structure called the Laniakea supercluster, which itself is one of millions of superclusters scattered throughout the observable universe. Now here's where things get mind-bending. Let's imagine humanity achieves everything we dream of. We become a spacefaring civilization, master interstellar travel, and avoid every cosmic catastrophe that could end us. Even in this perfect scenario, even with technology that seems like pure magic today, we will never escape beyond the local group. Ever. This cosmic prison holds only about 100 billionth of a percent of the observable universe. Let that sink in for a moment. Everything we will ever touch, explore, or influence represents just 0.01% of what we can see. The rest remains forever out of reach, and the reason why reveals one of the most profound truths about our universe. The culprit is something called dark energy, and it's rewriting the rules of cosmic exploration. About 6 billion years ago, this mysterious force began accelerating the expansion of space itself. Every second, the distance between galaxy groups grows larger, and this expansion is speeding up. The galaxies beyond our local group aren't just moving away from us. They're racing away at speeds we could never hope to match, even if we could travel at the speed of light. Think of it like being on a treadmill that keeps getting faster. You might run as hard as you can, but the belt beneath your feet accelerates beyond your ability to keep up. That's exactly what's happening on a cosmic scale. The space between us and distant galaxy clusters is stretching so rapidly that no spacecraft, no matter how advanced, could ever bridge that growing gap. But the story gets even more haunting. Over billions of years, those distant galaxies will fade from view entirely. The light they emit will be stretched to wavelengths we can't detect, and eventually, no information from beyond our local group will reach us at all. The universe will literally disappear from our view, leaving only darkness in every direction. Imagine astronomers billions of years in the future, looking out from what will then be a single merged galaxy called Milky Way. They'll see nothing but empty space stretching infinitely in all directions. They won't be able to detect the cosmic background radiation that tells us about the Big Bang. They'll have no evidence that the universe is expanding, no clue about its true age or origin. These future scientists will conclude that their galaxy is alone in a static, eternal universe, completely unaware of the cosmic drama that played out before their time. This cosmic isolation might seem depressing, but there's something beautiful about our current moment in history. We exist at the perfect time to witness both our cosmic future and our deepest past. We can see the afterglow of the Big Bang, observe galaxies billions of light years away, and understand our place in the grand cosmic story. We're living during a brief window when the entire universe is visible to us. The local group may be our eternal home, but what a home it is. With trillions of stars, countless worlds to explore, and mysteries that will take millions of human lifetimes to unravel. We have more than enough to keep us busy. We haven't even figured out how to leave our solar system yet. And we have billions of years ahead of us to explore every corner of our cosmic neighborhood. So while we may be prisoners of space and time, we're incredibly fortunate prisoners. We exist at the one moment in cosmic history when we can perceive the full majesty of the universe. That makes us not just explorers of space, but witnesses to the greatest story ever told. The story of everything that is, was, and ever will be. If mapping the boundaries of our cosmic prison stirred your imagination, you're going to love our previous deep dive into humanity's boldest engineering dream, the space elevator. In our previous video, we explore how a 36,000 kilometers tether could revolutionize space travel, cutting launch costs by 100x and turning rockets into relics. Tap the on-screen link now or check the description below to take the elevator ride of a lifetime and see how we might conquer the final frontier, one cable at a time.